gonna eat this or is this just poo?
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it away. So everyone, this is the first time I washed dishes and Steve's mom came over.
Yeah, that's right. You got a good impression, a false impression.
Yeah, it is a false impression, man. Oh my goodness. Because Steve is the one cleaning the house here. I do the cooking, but I don't wash dishes. He don't trust me for it because I did a lot of soap and stuff like that, and I put it in this dishwasher. So, in the history of YouTube, this is the first time that I wash dishes, guys. So, I supposed to do my video in my great room, but the problem is I cannot put the picture that came from my entryway. And they have a special screw from that IKEA picture I have there. So, and then I have to change plan and do it here in the kitchen. Now, this is it. So I'm just doing it like this and put it in a dishwasher. So I don't know. Because in the Philippines, this is how we do wash dishes. It's funny. So I guess that's what it is. So I actually saved this. I told Steve, don't wash it because I will.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today guys, I am collaborating with 16 amazing ladies here in YouTube, and they are Linda, Didi, myself, Ferne, Chanel, Kay, Jennifer, Gladys, Sophie, Denise, Tammy, Shamsi, Anuu, B, Gigi, and Antoinette. So guys, I did not name all the channel, but I will leave their channel link in my description box along with the playlist of this collaboration. So guys, in this special close collaboration, we are doing cleaning and decorate for Easter. Probably some of us were doing also a kitchen organization. So guys, check everybody's video in this close collaboration and you will get some inspiration to every one of us over here. So we are 16 ladies doing this challenge. So every one of us decide which area in our home to clean and decorate. So please guys, check out the playlist and all of the participants of this collaboration. And I hope you get some inspiration in this challenge. So my challenge, I decided to do my kitchen. And this is plan B. I supposed to do my great room, but I have a problem with my wall art because it was big and there's a special screw that need to be used on that picture. So that's why I did not able to do it. So it will be in my next video. So in the last minute, I decided to do my kitchen. I would like to say thank you to Linda of Style by Miss Linda for organizing this close collaboration of all of us. This is the first time that we meet each other during this collab, and it is really fun and I love doing this, although I'm not a really good when it comes to cleaning. To be honest guys, this is the real story right here. So I am really good in cooking and most of the time I cook, and Steve is doing the cleaning from dishes to all these cabinets right here. So this is the first time that I actually did the dishes. So that's the real story right there, and I'm not embarrassed to say that because that's what we agree. So please continue to watch, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos you will be notified. And after you watch my video, please go over to all these ladies' channel and please check their video. I know guys, as I said again, you will get some inspiration. Welcome to my kitchen and I hope you enjoy.
My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
I'd like to shout out Linda of Style by Miss Linda's channel that gave me an idea how to style those Studio Magi vessel that I have for a while.
I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody. Give me somebody. Somebody to love. Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Everyone, please don't forget to stop by to all the participants who are joining us on this close collaboration. And I hope you get an idea and inspiration how to decorate your home for Easter. I will leave the playlist link in my description box along with all the participants' channel. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.